My name is Heather Edmonds. I'm from the Central Coast and I'm studying a Bachelor of Theatre Media at Charles University. While I was studying at a different university, feeling disappointed that I wasn't doing much practical work in the realm of theatre. And then I heard about the course and thought I would give it a shot. And then I came here. We were doing a practical production every 6 to 8 weeks and it's been a great fit. I love that the assignments that we do mirror real-world assignments that we might work on. So we're making a festival at the moment, which is work that we might go on and do later. And I also love that sense of camaraderie, friendship and group work that is really emphasised in everything we do throughout the course. It makes you feel like you're part of a really good community as well. I've been able to have some amazing opportunities with internships. Opera Australia, doing their West Side Story production, so working on rehearsals and then the production, which is actually mounted on Sydney Harbour, so it's an outdoor production, which is incredible to see. Westmead Children's Hospital, which was really cool, working on their biggest fundraising event of the year, booking talent to perform for sick kids. Drama camp in rural central New South Wales, which was really amazing, working with Year 12 students, helping them facilitate their Year 12 drama projects, which is really cool because I love working with young people. I see myself performing and directing original devised theatre, or working with young people in the theatrical sense. Doing theatre media has been one of the best decisions of my whole life. It's an amazing course. There's something for everyone, no matter what your interest in theatre is. There's something for you to do here and a way for you to explore it, and there's so much opportunity as well. And it's an amazing community to be a part of.